Hi, it's Lulu from Clothes Doctor. I'm so excited to share with you our seasonal Scent and Protect box, a little box that makes a big difference in how you care for your wardrobe. This is our summer edition and it's filled with everything your wardrobe needs to stay fresh, protected and beautifully scented throughout the warm months. Here's what's inside. Our lavender and thyme drawer liners. These infuse your drawers with a calming, natural scent that deter moths and keep your clothes feeling fresh and protected. Our cedarwood and vanilla knitwear mist, a refreshing spray designed to revitalise your knitwear between washes and naturally repel moths.
3 Rescue Me scent bags, scented with rose, chamomile and lavender, a gorgeous combination that refreshes your drawers while naturally deterring moths.
And 4 pheromone traps, because summer is when moths are most active and these traps are here to make sure they stay away from your clothes. And last but not least, our knitwear detergent in Himalayan cedarwood and orange oil, which cleanses, scents and makes your knitwear super soft. We'd love for you to join us and experience how simple and joyful wardrobe care can be.